This fruit blushes just like you. Can you draw a peach? Stay for the sacred challenge.
Welcome to Kids Coloring Art. Hit the subscribe button and let's start drawing.
Let's go. Grab your pencils. Big, round circle. Smooth curves like a chubby little fruit.
Draw along with me. You are doing great.
Stem. Short line going up. Leaf. Teardrop shape. Line down the middle. Beautiful.
Now let's make it bold. Trace over our lines with the marker so it really pops. Don't forget, a secret challenge is coming at the end. And outline done. Look at that. Now the fun part. Let's paint. Look at these pretty colors. Comment below and tell me your favorite color.
Dark orange first. Warm and peachy. So satisfying. Red for the blush. Like the peach is shy. Looking amazing. Almost done. It gives us such natural, beautiful feel. Wow, look at that. Secret challenge time. Draw a page again, but give it a funny faces. Sleepy, angry, crying. You decide. You are a super artist. You drew a gorgeous page. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. New drawing every single week. Bye bye, little superstar.